From futuristic electric motorcycles to mind-blowing concept bikes, the world of two-wheel innovation is constantly evolving. Whether you're into high-performance road machines, rugged off-road beasts, or cutting-edge electric designs, there are some incredible bikes that push the boundaries of technology, speed, and style. Get ready to explore some of the most jaw-dropping, game-changing bikes you absolutely need to see. Reevo Hubless e-bike. The Reevo Hubless e-bike is a groundbreaking innovation in urban cycling. Boasting a sleek design with hubless, spokeless wheels, powered by a 750 watts motor and a 48 volts battery, it achieves speeds up to 25 miles per hour and offers a range of approximately 37 miles on a full charge. The battery recharges in about 3 hours. Safety features include automatic 800 lumen LED lights integrated into the rims, activated by an ambient light sensor. The bike's triple barrier anti-theft system comprises a one-touch fingerprint sensor, an automatic wheel lock, and GPS tracking via a dedicated smartphone app. As of now, the Reevo is available for pre-order at a starting price of $2,278, with the price expected to rise to around $3,450 post-launch. Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3 is an innovative water bike that delivers a unique cycling experience on water. Its composite monocoque chassis ensures buoyancy, keeping the bike upright when stationary, which facilitates easy mounting and deep water launches. The SL3 is powered by a 2,500 watt electric motor and offers 10 levels of pedal assistance, accommodating both leisurely rides and high-intensity workouts. Riders can achieve speeds up to 20 km per hour, with a cruising speed of 11 km per hour. The modular design allows for quick disassembly into 5 parts, simplifying transport and storage. Battery options include the HydroPack 600, providing up to 3 hours of ride time, and the HydroPack 1000, offering up to 4.5 hours. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3 is priced starting at $9,750, with some retailers offering discounts. Segway Xafari. The Segway Xafari is an exceptional all-terrain electric bike designed for both comfort and performance. Equipped with a 750 watts motor delivering 80 Newton-meters of torque, it reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Its 936 watt-hour removable battery offers an impressive range of up to 88 miles on a single charge. The bike features a full suspension system with 80mm front and 70mm rear travel, ensuring a smooth ride across various terrains. Safety is prioritized with hydraulic front and rear brakes, providing reliable stopping power. Additional highlights include 26 by 3 inches all-terrain tires, a high-resolution water-resistant display, a 1,300 lumen headlight for enhanced visibility, and a rear rack supporting up to 55 pounds. In the US, the Segway Xafari is priced at $2,400. Electra Ponto Go. The Electra Ponto Go is an exceptional Class 3 e-bike that combines versatility and performance. Powered by a 750 watts rear hub motor delivering 60 Newton-meters of torque, it offers a thumb throttle for speeds up to 20 miles per hour and pedal assistance reaching 26 miles per hour. The 650 watt-hour removable, lockable battery provides a range of up to 60 miles per charge. Designed to accommodate riders 16 years and older, it features a long rear rack, extended bench seat with foot pegs for a second rider, and high-rise handlebars for an upright riding position. Safety is enhanced with hydraulic disc brakes, turn indicators, and a brake light. In the US, the Ponto Go is priced at $2,700. Urtopia Chord e-bike. The Urtopia Chord e-bike is an exceptional blend of style and technology. Its 6061 aluminum frame, inspired by piano aesthetics, offers both elegance and durability. Weighing approximately 46 pounds, it supports riders up to 287 pounds. The 350 watts rear hub motor delivers 45 Newton-meters of torque, reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour. The 352.8 watt-hour Samsung Li-ion battery provides a range between 31 to 75 miles, depending on riding conditions. Riders can choose from 4 pedal assist modes: Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Turbo. The bike features an 8-speed Shimano drivetrain, Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, and 700/40C tires for a smooth ride. Advanced features include voice control, fingerprint unlock, GPS tracking, and a LED dot matrix display. As of now, the Urtopia Chord is priced at $1,200. Razer Rambler 20. The Razer Rambler 20 is an impressive e-bike that combines retro aesthetics with modern performance. Its high-quality steel frame and 20-inch pneumatic balloon tires ensure a smooth and sturdy ride. Powered by a 500-watt variable-speed brushless rear-wheel hub motor, it can reach speeds up to 19.9 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour. The rechargeable 37-volt lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 16.6 miles, 26.7 kilometers, on a single charge. Riders can choose between twist grip throttle control or electric pedal assist, with 5 different power levels to suit various riding preferences. Additional features include hand-operated front and rear disc brakes, an LED headlight and tail light for enhanced visibility, and a dashboard display showing speed, battery life, and power level. The Rambler 20 is priced at $1,000, offering excellent value for its features. Acer Ebii. The Acer Ebii is an innovative AI-driven e-bike designed for urban commuting. Weighing approximately 16 kilograms, it features a 250 watts single-side hub motor that delivers a maximum assist speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The 460 watt-hour battery charges fully in just 2.5 hours and offers a range of up to 110 kilometers on a single charge. The Ebii's AI-powered Ebii assist system adapts to your riding style and conditions, providing a personalized experience. Safety features include collision detection sensors and surround lighting for enhanced visibility. The bike also boasts airless, flat-free tires and an auto-lock system that secures the bike when your connected smartphone is out of range. As of now, the Acer Ebii is priced at €2,000 in Europe. Segway Xyber. The Segway Xyber is an exceptional e-bike that redefines off-road adventures with its cutting-edge design and performance. Equipped with a powerful 6,000 watts direct drive motor, it accelerates from 0 to 20 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, delivering a peak torque of 175 Newton meters. The dual 1440 watt-hour batteries offer a remarkable range of up to 112 miles, ensuring extended exploration without frequent recharging. Its robust cast aluminum frame supports up to 396.8 pounds, while the 20 by 5 inches multi-surface tires and advanced suspension system, 110mm dual crown front and 100mm 5-stage adjustable rear, provide superior handling across diverse terrains. Additional features include a 2.4-inch TFT color display, intelligent lighting system, and seamless smartphone integration for ride tracking and control. Priced at $3,000, the Segway Xyber offers exceptional value for riders seeking a high-performance intelligent e-bike. Segway GT3 Pro SuperScooter. The Segway GT3 Pro SuperScooter is a groundbreaking personal transport device that pushes the boundaries of electric scooters. Equipped with dual 3,500 watts motors, it achieves a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour and accelerates from 0 to 48 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Its 2,160 watt-hour battery provides an impressive range of up to 138 kilometers at a constant speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The scooter features adjustable hydraulic front linkage and rear trailing arm suspension, ensuring a smooth ride across various terrains. Safety is enhanced with an advanced ABS braking system and 11-inch self-sealing tires that prevent punctures. Additional highlights include a 2.4-inch TFT color display, IPX6 water resistance, and compatibility with Apple Find My for added security. As of now, the GT3 Pro is priced between €1,500 and €2,000, with availability expected in the first quarter of 2025. BMW CE02. The BMW CE02 is an innovative electric two-wheeler designed for urban mobility. Equipped with 11 kilowatts, 15 horsepower, air-cooled synchronous motor, it reaches a top speed of 59 miles per hour, making it ideal for city commuting. Its 3.92 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 59 miles on a full charge. Charging from 0% to 80% takes approximately 3 hours with the optional quick charger. The CE02 features a double-loop steel frame, upside-down telescopic fork, and adjustable rear shock absorber, ensuring a comfortable ride. With a seat height of 29.5 inches and a weight of 291 pounds, it's accessible to a wide range of riders. Additional features include LED lighting, a 3.5-inch micro TFT display, and 2 riding modes, Surf and Flow. In the United States, the BMW CE02 is priced at $7,600. Cube NUROAD C62. The Cube NUROAD C62 is an exceptional gravel bike that seamlessly blends road bike speed with off-road capability. Its lightweight C62 carbon frame and fork provide a responsive and comfortable ride, while internal cable routing maintains a sleek appearance. Equipped with Shimano's GRX 11-speed groupset, it ensures precise shifting and reliable performance across varied terrains. The bike features hydraulic disc brakes for consistent stopping power in all conditions. Rolling on robust Newman performance wheels paired with 45 mm Schwalbe tires, it offers excellent traction and stability. Additional highlights include a comfortable saddle, carbon seat post, and multiple mounting points for accessories, enhancing its versatility for bikepacking adventures. As of 2025, the Cube NUROAD C62 is available in the US market, with prices varying by retailer and specific model configuration. For instance, the NUROAD C62 SLT is priced at £6,000 in the UK, which may serve as a reference point for US pricing. It's advisable to check with local dealers for exact pricing and availability. eCell's Dual KINGSTAR. The eCells. Dual KINGSTAR is a high-performance e-bike designed for riders seeking power and durability. It features a robust 1500 watts Hentac rear hub motor delivering 147 Newton-meters of torque, providing exceptional acceleration and hill climbing capabilities. The dual 60 volts batteries, totaling 35 amp-hour, offer an impressive range of up to 120 plus miles depending on riding conditions. Recharging is efficient, with dual chargers enabling a full recharge in approximately 7 hours. Built upon the redesigned King's Crown frame, independently tested over 700,000 times for ruggedness and durability, the Dual KINGSTAR ensures reliability across various terrains. As of now, the eCell's Dual KINGSTAR is priced at $2,795. Verge TS Pro. The Verge TS Pro is a cutting-edge electric motorcycle that combines innovative design with high performance. Its distinctive hubless rear wheel integrates a 20.2 kilowatt-hour rim-mounted motor, delivering an impressive 161 horsepower and a staggering 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. This configuration enables rapid acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, reaching a top speed of 124 miles per hour. The TS Pro offers a substantial range of up to 217 miles on a single charge, with DC fast charging capability allowing a 0 to 80% recharge in approximately 35 minutes. Built with a double-loop steel frame, it features fully adjustable Öhlins suspension components and Brembo braking systems, ensuring a balanced and responsive ride. The motorcycle's design minimizes maintenance by eliminating traditional moving parts like chains and belts. Available in various colors, including lizard green and racing black Alcantara, the Verge TS Pro is priced at $29,900 in the United States. Volcon Brat. Experience the thrill of the Volcon Brat, a versatile e-bike that merges motorcycle-inspired design with bicycle convenience. Powered by a robust 750 watts hub motor and a 48 volts 15.6 amp-hour removable battery, it reaches speeds exceeding 28 miles per hour while offering a range of over 70 miles in its Mode 1 setting. With 4 customizable ride modes, riders can effortlessly tailor performance. Its inverted telescoping adjustable forks and monoshock rear suspension guarantee a smooth ride on diverse terrains, complemented by hydraulic disc brakes and 20 by 4 inches hybrid tires for superior control. LED lighting ensures optimal visibility during night rides. Weighing just 86 pounds with a 30-inch seat height, this bike remarkably suits various riders. Priced attractively at $2,400, it truly is an incredible ride. Mini E-Bike 1. The Mini E-Bike 1 is a remarkable collaboration between the iconic Mini brand and France's Angel Mobility. This limited edition e-bike, with only 1959 units available worldwide, boasts a sleek design that merges British and French craftsmanship. It features a 250-watt rear hub motor, providing pedal assistance up to 25 km per hour. Riders can choose from 3 assistance levels and enjoy a range of up to 64 km on a single 2-hour charge, thanks to its removable lithium battery. The bike is equipped with handcrafted Brooks England saddle and handles, ensuring both comfort and style. Available in sport and comfort configurations, it caters to different riding preferences. Priced at €2,990, the Mini E-Bike 1 offers a premium urban cycling experience. Specialized Turbo Vado SL2. The Specialized Turbo Vado SL2 is an exceptional e-bike that seamlessly blends performance with practicality. Its ultralight fact carbon frame contributes to a total weight as low as 14.9 kilograms, making it one of the lightest in its class. Powered by the Specialized SL 1.2 mid-drive motor, it delivers 320 watts of assistance, reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour. The integrated 520 watt-hour battery offers up to 5 hours of ride time, with an optional 160 watt-hour range extender available for extended journeys. Equipped with a Shimano Deore XT 12-speed drivetrain and TRP hydraulic disc brakes, it ensures precise shifting and reliable stopping power. Additional features include the Mastermind H3 display with specialized app integration, FutureShock 3.2 stem integrated suspension for enhanced comfort, and compatibility with ElectricBike HD racks for cargo versatility. The Turbo Vado SL2 is available in standard and EQ versions, with prices ranging from $6,000 to $8,000 depending on the configuration. RadPower RadRunner 3 Plus, the RadPower bikes. RadRunner 3 Plus is an exceptional electric utility bike that combines versatility with robust performance. Its redesigned low-step frame ensures easy mounting and dismounting, catering to a wide range of riders. Equipped with a 750 watts geared hub motor, it delivers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, while the 672 watt-hour semi-integrated battery provides a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. The bike supports a payload capacity of 350 pounds, including a 120-pound rear rack, making it ideal for carrying cargo or an additional passenger. Upgrades like hydraulic disc brakes offer enhanced stopping power, and the dual display system provides clear ride metrics. Priced at $2,200, the RadRunner 3 Plus offers a premium riding experience for urban commuters and adventure seekers alike. Trek FX Plus 7. The Trek FX Plus 7 is an exceptional electric city bike that masterfully combines lightweight design with advanced features. Weighing approximately 40 pounds, it's easy to maneuver through urban environments. The bike is powered by the TQ HPR50 motor, delivering 50 Nm of torque and a maximum continuous power of 250 watts, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. Its 360 watt-hour battery offers a commendable range, suitable for daily commutes. The FX Plus 7 comes equipped with a quad-lock mount on the stem, allowing riders to securely attach their smartphones and enjoy wireless charging during rides. Additionally, it seamlessly connects to the Trek Central app, providing turn-by-turn navigation and ride customization options. Priced at $4,000, the FX Plus 7 offers a premium urban cycling experience. Cowboy Cross. The Cowboy Cross is an exceptional all-road electric bike that seamlessly blends urban commuting with off-road adventures. Its robust aluminum frame incorporates an inverted front fork, offering 40 mm of travel and a telescopic seat suspension, ensuring a smooth ride across diverse terrains. The bike features 60 mm custom tires for enhanced grip and control. Powered by a 250 watts brushless geared hub motor, it delivers efficient performance, while the removable 540 watt-hour battery provides a range of up to 120 km per charge, with a full recharge time of under 4 hours. Weighing approximately 27.9 kilograms, the Cowboy Cross supports a total load capacity of 140 kilograms, including its integrated rear rack. Advanced connectivity features include adaptive power technology and app integration for ride customization. Available in lava, moss and mushroom colors, the Cowboy Cross is priced at €3,500 during the early bird phase, eventually rising to €4,000. Sur-Ron Lite BX. The Sur-Ron Lite BX is an exceptional electric off-road bike that delivers impressive performance and agility. Equipped with a 6 kW motor, it achieves a top speed of 75 km per hour and offers a range of up to 75 km on a single charge. The bike's lightweight design, weighing under 56 kilograms, enhances maneuverability across various terrains. Its 60 volts 40 amp hour lithium-ion battery charges fully in approximately 2.5 to 3.5 hours, minimizing downtime between rides. The Lite BX features a forged aluminum frame, adjustable off-road suspension, and 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes for superior handling and safety. Priced around $4,000, it offers excellent value for off-road enthusiasts seeking a high-performance electric bike.